The Jim twins were separated at birth and reunited at 39. They quickly found that they had lived oddly similar lives. Both had married and divorced someone named Linda, were currently married to a Betty, had sons named James Arlan, had dogs named Toy, drove the same car, had jobs in security, and regularly vacationed at the same beach in Florida. The twins' shared experiences with names go beyond just their wives and children. They also both had the middle name Arlan, and their adoptive parents even gave them identical first names, Jim, when they were reunited. This connection between their names underscores the astonishing coincidences that mark their lives and demonstrates how names can play a significant role in shaping one's identity. Jim Lewis and Jim Springer's reunion at the age of 39 not only brought them closer but also had a profound impact on the field of twin studies. Their story is often cited as an example of the powerful bond between twins even when separated at birth. Their experiences have contributed to a better understanding of the influence of genetics and environment on human development and behavior, and their lives continue to intrigue scientists and psychologists studying the intricacies of twin relationships. Jim Lewis and Jim Springer's shared experiences from identical names to a reunion at 39 not only exemplify astonishing coincidences, but also significantly contribute to the understanding of twin relationships, genetics, and the interplay of nature and nurture in human development. The Jims first met in 1979 when they were 39 years old, after one of them decided to pursue finding the other through the court system. Their unique story caught the attention of researchers at the University of Minnesota who were studying genetic influence on humans by analyzing twins who had been reared apart. Identical triplet brothers who were separated and adopted at birth only learned of each other's existence when two of the brothers met at a dorm party while attending the same college. There was a great documentary made about these guys in 2018. It's a real wild story. It's called Three Identical Strangers. It's heartbreaking and disgusting, but a very good watch. This is a fascinating example of a real-life case known as the Three Identical Strangers story. It gained widespread attention in the 1980s when three identical triplet brothers, Bobby Shafran, David Kellman, and Eddie Garland, who were separated at birth and adopted by different families, discovered each other's existence by chance. They found out when two of the brothers met at a college party and realized they looked exactly alike. Their story raised questions about nature versus nurture and the ethics of separating siblings for research purposes. However, upon further investigation, it was revealed that the infants had been intentionally separated and placed with families having different parenting styles and economic levels, one blue-collar, one middle-class, and one affluent. Robert Shafran was raised in an upper-middle-class family but has since slipped back into anonymity in Brooklyn. Edward Garland tragically took his own life at 33 after discovering the truth about the experiment but found closure with his brothers before his passing. Amy and Arno are identical twins who were split up and sold shortly after birth. They were victims of a child trafficking market but reunited after finding each other on TikTok. After getting to know each other, they realized they had many similarities, including a genetic bone disease called dysplasia. When they finally met in person, Amy said it was like looking in a mirror, and they decided to speak to their families about it. They found out that they had been separately adopted in 2002 after their families had paid doctors for unwanted babies. The pair had a remarkable reunion after confronting their families about their seemingly mysterious similarities and eventually tracked down the sister and birth mother via DNA tests. After traveling to Germany to meet their biological mother, Aza, they were told that hospital staff had falsely informed her that the twins died shortly after birth. Their story led them to realize they were two of thousands of children stolen as part of a child trafficking scheme in the former Soviet Republic of Georgia.